Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's class, let's see how to find the values of trigonometrical ratios by using the trigonometrical tables. We have already studied and know the values of trigonometrical ratios of acute angles such as 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. And the values of sine theta as per the angle changes are given here. Sine 0 is 0 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. In the same way, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and the value of cos 90 is 0. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3 and tan 90, the value is not defined. Since we know the quotient relation, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, and when you are finding the value of tan 90, this will be 1 divided by 0 and 1 divided by 0 is not defined. Therefore, tan 90 is infinity, or we can say that it is not defined. The trigonometrical tables give the values of natural sines, cosines and the tangents with 4 decimal places. A trigonometrical table consists of 3 parts. The first one is a column on the extreme left that contains angles in degrees, that is from 0 it goes up to 90 degree, and there are 10 columns headed by minutes, that is 0 minutes, 6 minutes, etc. It goes up to 54 minutes, and there is another column which is headed by the minutes 1 2 3 4 etc. up to 5 minutes, and this is called the mean difference. And whenever we need to find the value of any trigonometrical ratio, for example, consider sine 25 degree 15 minutes, you need to split this 15 minutes into 12 plus 3, since 15 minutes is not directly given in the minutes column. So we have to first find the value of sine 25 degree 12 minutes. You need to see this column in this way, that is from 12 degree column and 25 degree row, you have to see where these two will meet, and that particular point will give you the value of sine 25 degree 12 minutes. And in the same line or in the same row, you have to find the difference 3, and the difference is 8, and this 8 is considered as 0.0008 since the values are in 4 decimal places. Therefore, you need to add 0.0008 to this number, that is 0.4258. You will get the value of sine 25 degree 15 minutes. In the same way, if you find the value of cos 20 degree, we can directly find for 20 degree 0 minutes. So you will get the value as 0.9397. If you have to find the value of cos 25 degree 15 minutes, so here you have to split that 15 into 12 plus 3, and you have to consider 25 degree and 12 minutes, what value you are getting there, find that value, and then you need to find the difference 3, mean difference 3, that here you get the value of mean difference 3 as 0.0004, and that should be subtracted from the value we are obtaining for cos 25 degree 12 minutes, since the value of cos is from 1 to 0. It is in the decreasing order. But when you are finding the value of sine as well as tan, whatever the mean difference you are getting, that should be added with the previous value what you have already found. So now we have seen how to find the value of the given angle for sine, cosine or tangent. Now in case if the values are given, you need to find the angle. What you need to do is you have to search for the value given to find the corresponding angle. Just imagine that the value of sine is given as 0.3322. That sine theta is 0.3322. What is the angle corresponding to that? How to find it? So from this table, you need to find where is the value 0.3322. Then you need to find the corresponding angle. If you see this, you can find the angle 0.3322 as for 19 degree 24 minutes. You have to see where that particular value lies. From there you need to find the angle in degrees as well as in minutes. So you can see that it is 19 degree 24 minutes. This is how you can find the angle corresponding to the given values. Now, let's find the values of few trigonometrical ratios by using the tables. Consider the first question, sine 34 degree 42 minutes. Now here, as I have explained earlier, you have to see the number in the row against 34 degree and in the column headed by 42 minutes. So if you see that, you will get a particular value, and that will be the value of sine 34 degree and 42 minutes. So here you can see on the left column there are degrees. It is here 34 degree will be there, and on the top you will have the minutes, 6 minutes, etc, etc. So you have to see on 42 minutes, and from these 2 points where it meets together, that will be the value of the particular angle what you obtain from the table, and the value from the table is 0.5693. This is by using the table we can get the value of sine 34 degree 42 minutes. This was the proper numbers given in the table, so it was easy for us to find the value. Now if you consider the next question, this is sine 62 degree 57 minutes. So 62 degree you can find from the left side column, but there is no 57 minutes given there. So first we need to split this 57 as sine 62 degree 54 minutes plus 3 minutes. Now let's find the value of sine 62 degree 54 minutes, and from the mean difference we can find 3 minutes, the value of 3 minutes, and add those two to this particular value. Then you will obtain the value of sine 62 degree 57 minutes. Now from the table, sine 62 degree 54 minutes, from the table we get the value as 0.8902 plus the difference as 0.0004. So when you are adding these two, you get this as 0.8906. 0.8906. This will be the value of sine 62 degree 57 minutes from the tables. Consider cos 8 degree 12 minutes. So from the table directly we will get the value of cos 8 degree 12 minutes as 0.9898. Now you need to see the column on the left side where the 8 degree is there. From there you have to see the column which is headed by 12 minutes. You will get the value of cos 8 degree 12 minutes as 0.9898. Now let's see the other question, cos 65 degree 41 minutes. So if you find the value of cos 65 degree 41 minutes, you will not get the value of 41 minutes directly from the table. So you need to split this as cos 65 degree 36 minutes plus 5 minutes. So this 41 minutes to be split as 36 plus 5 minutes. Cos 65 degree 36 minutes, the value is 0.4131, and the difference 5 minutes is 0.0013. In case of cos, we have to subtract the difference from the value what we have already found here. That is equal to, you need to subtract 0.0013 from 0.4131. You get this value as 0.4118. This is the value of cos 65 degree 41 minutes. In the same way, if you consider tan 17 degree 27 minutes, we need to write this as tan 17 degree 27 minutes to be split as 24 plus 3 minutes. The value of tan 17 degree 24 minutes can be found from the table as 0.3134, and the difference 3 minutes is equal to 0.0010. And in case of tan, this to be added. Therefore, the value of tan 17 degree 27 minutes, we get this as 0.3134 4. This is the value of tan 17 degree 27 minutes. So you remember, in case of sine and tan, the difference to be added, and in case of cos, it should be subtracted. In the same way, we can find the value of theta. Find theta by using the tables. The value of sine theta is given and we have to find what is theta here. So this also can be found out by using the tables. So in place of 29 degrees 0 minutes, you can find this particular value, that is 0.4848. So we can say that sine theta is equal to sine 29 degree. So this implies theta is equal to 29 degree. This is how we can find the value of theta. Now in the same way, cos theta is 0.9848. If you see the trigonometrical tables of cos theta, you can see that in the place of cos 10 degree, this particular value is lying. So we can say that cos theta is cos 10 degree, and this implies theta is equal to 10 degree. And in the same way, we can find the value of tan as well. The tan value is given as 0.2419. If you look at the table, in the trigonometrical tables of tan theta, you can see that tan theta is equal to tan 13 degree 36 minutes. So if you see the tables of tan values, you can see that this particular value, that is 0.2419, is lying at the degree 13 degree and the 36 minutes. Therefore, we can say that the value of theta is equal to 13 degree 36 minutes. Consider the question. Find x for sin x is equal to sin 60 degree cos 30 degree minus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree. So by using this data, we need to find the value of x, or find the angle x. Let's consider this. Sin x is equal to, what is sin 60 from the tables? We can say that sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is again root 3 by 2 minus cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So we need to substitute the values of sin 60 and cos 60 in these places and then simplify. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 2 2s are 4 minus 1 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So the difference will be 3 minus 1 by 4, that is same as 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. Now, for what angle we get the value of sin as 1 by 2 is, that is equal to sin 30 degree. We know that sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, we can say that sin x is sin 30, and this implies x is equal to 30 degree. This is how we can find the value of x. Let's solve one more question. Find x for sin 3x is equal to 2 sin 30 cos 30 degree. Now let's write this as sin 3x is equal to 2 sin 30. We know the value of sin 30 as 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Let's substitute these values here. This will be 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Cancel 2. You get this as root 3 by 2. That is sin 3x is equal to root 3 by 2. Now for what angle of sine the value is root 3 by 2? That is sin 60. We know that sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2. So from here we can write this as 3x is equal to 60 degree. Here sin 3x is sin 60. So 3x is 60 degree. So therefore x is equal to 60 by 3. That is equal to 20 degree. This is how we can find the value of x for this particular question. Now these questions are for you. You can solve it and let me know the answer. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a different topic. Thank you.